Hey, hello. My check, my check. Okay, yeah, yes, I think we are online. So yeah, JJ here from the Shadowing the Big Boys. And this week, as usual, for the weekly analysis, I will be covering what has actually what we actually have went through in the market itself, and then subsequently I also be covering the moving forward what we will be expecting in terms of my own analysis. So yeah, just keep an open mind on what the market will be doing, and then yeah, we react accordingly. So yeah, without further ado, I think we can start on with the analysis for this week. So let me toggle to the Forex Factory. Yeah, so Forex Factory, you can take a look at what is the upcoming calendar, the forest calendar, especially those that are of high impact over here. Like you can see on the table itself, you do have different color, as I mentioned before. Red is for those high impact, orange is those like more of a medium impact type of news. So yeah, we do see that for Monday, it should be quite a quiet day, right? So that there isn't any news, and also the Canadian banks are on bank holiday. Then for some reason, I don't know what this. Yeah, so Victoria Day. Yeah, so that's that. And then on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and all the way to Friday, I think we do have some key news release, especially from the European side, where we do have France and Germany flash manufacturing PMI, that will affect the euro. And also for pound, they just happen that I think, yeah, they happen to release all the same news in the same day, on the same day itself. Then for USD also the same. So yeah, I mean, off my head, I don't recall, yeah, having this type of PMI exactly on the same day for so many economy. But yeah, anyway, that is that. And yeah, we just need to keep a lookout of this, and then keep a lookout of your position as well. So yeah, Tuesday, Tuesday itself, you also have this new home sales. Then on Wednesday itself, you do have the New Zealand dollar cash rate. And then yeah, depending on how the um interest rate, it will definitely affect the New Zealand dollar. And then yeah, if let's say you do have some um setup that you can enter, yeah, you can enter at your own discretion. I mean, in terms of, yeah, of course, money manage yourself, money manage your position, and then you can enter before the news to catch that move, right? Okay, so that's New Zealand dollar. And then for pound, you do have some key speeches, and also release as well. Then FOMC meeting minutes. And this is not those that, unless the meeting minutes has something special. If not, I don't think there will be quite significant impact on the US dollar. But yeah, any case, just take note of that. It's 2 a.m. Singapore time on Thursday. And then yeah, subsequently there's this US dollar GDP as well. Okay, so there's so much on the Forex Factory. Then let's move on back to the yeah, let me talk back to the chart itself. Okay, wait, I don't have the, give me 1 minute. I need to get back to the chart. Just one moment. Give me 1 minute. Hey, technical problem. Okay, yeah, I think we are back. Let me toggle. Okay, so yeah, I think this is what I wanted to share, and here is the chart for the USD. Yep. So just take a look at this US dollar. Yeah, as I mentioned last week, I was saying on Monday that not Monday. I said last weekend Sunday, I was saying that it might happen to push a little 1 or 2 more days, or not whatnot. Then after that, it will retrace and then resume its uptrend, right? So that didn't exactly happen as what I mentioned, but the thing is that you do see that there's some pullback, which is good because over here we know that we have already broke out of this US dollar consolidation that has been for, yeah, at least 1 to 2 months, right? So after breaking out, you do see that this was the confirmation breakout, and there's a pullback. So yeah, I did I also wanted to cover some of this trade that I have took up. And also, yeah, if you're interested, you can actually join me in my WhatsApp group, where I also have shared my this sort of like a bit of my analysis, and then also share on the spot itself my trading entries and what is the stop loss. And then, yeah, in terms of the taking profit, I won't be putting it up on the WhatsApp, and it is more of because yeah, because different people actually wanted to have like take profit at different level. And then, yeah, some like to actually hold more than what they think they can get. And then, yeah, I mean, there's no right and wrong. It's just that, yeah, you manage your own taking profit. For myself, I would tell you, okay, this is about time we can enter. And then what is the stop loss that you are looking to yeah, looking to take care of. I mean, for the stop loss, that's I will say is the most important part of the equation. Yeah, you need to know where you need to put your stop loss. It's not like you just enter over here and then, yeah, wait for the position to do it do its best, and then you are not covering yourself on the downside, where, yeah, it might just reverse back all the way down, and you are like not putting up stop loss. Then it won't be a good experience for yourself. Yep. Okay, so stop loss is something that's important. So yeah, nevertheless, what I wanted to cover for this week is also on, like I mentioned, the review and also the trade that I have done. So for USD, yep, this is the after what has happened last week. It actually pulled back and then came back up. So on the on the Euro USD, it is quite a obvious case. I mean, it's pretty much similar to what you do see on the US dollar. It's just the um, let you can call it inverted chart of the USD. So this is on the daily time frame. If you're going on to the lower time frame, you can actually see a very obvious type of yeah, a is set up over here. So this was a setup that I have entered. And then, yeah, you can call it a triangle, or whatever consolidation. It doesn't really matter, because I do know that on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, it is already in the bearish mode. So that means you can see that overall in the market, especially the big players, they are trying to push down the price. So yeah, this was the consolidation, and once it broke out, I entered the trade on this, and then subsequently, it just went down lower. So I think I took profit over here, somewhere here. Yeah, so my entry was over here, around 108.50. Yeah, around this level. So yep, this was the neckline that was broken. And yeah, I mean, I won't go into the too much details. It's just a consolidation and breakout trade. Okay, so on the same time as well, I can't remember exactly which one I entered first, but Euro USD and also Euro New Zealand. I think I entered New Zealand first. Yeah, but nevertheless, this was also a trade that I have took, and this is a downtrend, and then it went back up, and then it actually retested this area. So if you go out on the higher time frame, of course, if on the H4, you can see it more clearly. So this was the last support resistance zone, which turns into a resistance, and then it actually came down. We rejected that level. So this was the level that it rejected. So yeah, let me put some smiley face. So there's the rejection, and give me 1 minute. Yeah, the rejection, and remember this whole area of support resistance that was mentioned on the higher time frame, which is here. Yeah, so price actually went back to test that area again, and then consolidated for a while. I did actually trade on the pull, not pull back on the breakout itself, and this was what actually happened. I don't think I get the whole thing here, but around over here, I think I got out. Yep. So this was the trade, and then this was the two trade, and there's also one more trade that I did on Powcat. Okay, so Powcat is I think Thursday or so, but that didn't work out that well. I mean, yeah, you can see that they are of similar nature. I mean, it's um if you can't see it, it's of similar nature in terms of the need so like the need the trend. So yeah, a break, and then there's a consolidation. Then I do see another break over here. So this is on the 1 hourly, and then this was the consolidation that I saw on Thursday, right? So yeah, you can see over here Thursday, there's a breakout over here. Of course, I let the trade run by itself. Then at Singapore time, night time, I do see there's a lot of this whipping. So yeah, I let the trade run, and there's this 11 p.m. I think there's the governor of Canada actually came out to have some speech, and then I think I put my break even to somewhere. Yeah, I mean, I just trail my stop loss looking at the price action like this, and then I just think like, okay, maybe I just put a break even over here, and it just took me up. So yeah, that's what actually happened. And also keep open mind on what the market will be doing. I mean, you can expect. I mean, okay, not to expect. You can predict, or not predict. Okay, so you can say that, okay, maybe I want a 100 pip for this trade. I mean, this is something that you want, but what eventually that you get from the market itself, right, is something that the market will give you. I mean, there's no negotiation on that. So similar to this case, I felt that I can maybe get at least um a drop until here, or somewhere over here. Yeah, but the market just keep whip stalling over here, and then you know that there's something not that right. So in order for yourself to protect against any downside, or yeah, you can actually put on a trail your stop loss. I mean, my stop loss was somewhere here, and then eventually I just trail it down as it gain a bit more momentum. So over here, I think somewhere over here is my 2R already. Yeah, but it didn't hit. So yeah, if it hit my 2R, I will get up some, and then depending on how is it, I will still let it run for a little bit on my rest of the position. But yeah, unfortunately, it has not, but it has certainly make me think twice to allow my stop loss to be still at the same level, because yeah, this price action doesn't really um look nice to me in my opinion. Okay, so it's quite different from what you do see on the Euro New Zealand that I've entered on. So you see, if there's a breakout, that's so nice, and then it just came down all the way to this type of price action. Of course, is price action that every trader like to see, multiple push down almost immediately after each after each of this down bar. Sorry, it has a bit of cough here. Okay, so that's on the review of my previous trade. I also post on to my Facebook. If you want, you can also have a look on that as well. So that's on the review. So for the coming week, I think if you were to look at the USD actually has I think a couple of updates. Yeah, three updates. So there's like a few of these, two updates, three updates, and I would say that this is already the fourth push. Oh no, I mean it's the third going for the fourth. So if you think that this the first one, then you have the second one. This is the third one. So yeah, third or fourth one. So subsequently, if this is the fourth of the fifth, I mean for myself, I would be more conservative and be more reactionary to the price action. I mean, in terms of if I mean I will still be looking out for long, but I will be more stringent in terms of, let's say, the criteria, and also in terms of yeah, be mindful that it will also pull back a little more deeper. Maybe it will clear this last low, this minor low lah over here, and might come back to test here or whatnot. So yeah, just take a look. I mean, just keep a lookout for this. And then on the other side of the analysis, I actually wanted to cover today is on some of the US dollar pairs, and then also on EG. Then there's also this New Zealand Swiss franc that I also wanted to cover a bit. So yeah, let's move on to this pound dollar. So pound dollar, you can see that it is actually starting to come back to this important breakout level that it has broke out some time ago. Okay, or rather, yeah, it's a it broke out, and then it came ding dong for a while. So I do believe that there will be some quite intensive price action over here. Imagine if you have traded here, or if you have if you are one of the trader that has trap your position over here, then most likely you also wanted to I mean most likely you also wanted to maybe get out, or do something about it. And then imagine those that has already gone long on this whole uptrend. So those that have went long, then they are also looking out for quite significant pullback before they cover up their position, and things like that. So yeah, this is a level that you can watch, and then there should be quite a good um yeah, price action over here. So now on Friday itself, it did push back up a little. So let's just keep a lookout on this for the week to come. Okay, so yeah, that's on that. And then also on this euro not euro, US dollar Swiss franc. Okay, so US dollar Swiss franc, it might be having this case of a head and shoulder. So you can see this it might be forming the right shoulder next week, or it might not. I mean I don't know what will happen, but yeah, it looks like it is going to form something, because it came down all the way back to this breakout level. So yeah, this is the US dollar Swiss franc. And then yeah, it's interesting level for you to keep a lookout. It's either that it will form that head and shoulder expansion on this 4 hourly time frame, or it might just gain momentum back and then push up, um, push back up again, on this retracement. Okay, on the 4 hourly. Okay, so on the daily, of course, um, it's quite a engulfing candlestick that you can see here. Okay, so that's on the US dollar Swiss franc. And then I was saying that I wanted to also mention about Euro pound. So Euro pound, quite straightforward in that sense, because Euro pound, you can see it has consolidated for months since the start of 2023. Okay, so as consolidated, the breakout actually happened sometime in May, mid-May. No, sorry, not mid-May, early May. Okay, so it broke out, and then you can see that it is trying to consolidate, and it might consolidate to retest outwards. Yeah, you just need to go down to the lower time frame. So yeah, this was the consolidation. Okay, so this is the consolidation. Yep. Okay. Yeah, maybe H4 will be easier to see. Okay, so this was the consolidation. It's a triangle consolidation. Or okay. So it's a consolidation waiting for breakout. So yeah, if you're trading on the H4, of course, you are looking for a confirmation breakout over here. But if you are trading on the lower time frame, for myself, if let's say I'm going to trade this, likely I will be looking at short as well. So of course I won't be shorting at this low on the 1 hourly. I might be looking out for it to maybe, yeah, can't come back to this area before I short, or stuff like that. Okay, so it can also be possible that it broke up, but in order for it to show bullishness in this 1 hour and 4 hourly, right, you need to clear this level first. Okay, so in order for it to clear, of course, it need to be bullish, right? I mean, in order for us to be bullish, yeah, this level need to be cleared, and then some form of pullback will be a signal for us to go on long on that 1 hour 4 hourly time frame. But so far, as of now, I think more of the bearish sign on this euro pound. Okay, but do also take note that this euro pound is also pretty whippy in that sense. Okay, so Aussies, New Zealand, nothing much. Oh yes, so yeah, just wanted to touch base on the this New Zealand Swiss franc. Okay, so it is still I will call this a pullback for this downtrend on the daily time frame. So yeah, this is still a pullback, and then pretty much is still trying to retest this downtrend line, and then you do have this support and resistance area. So yeah, if you wanted to see more clear, I mean, these are just arrow to pinpoint to you where I'm looking at. So yeah, this is the support resistance. So there's this pin bar that's actually formed. I mean, of course, you don't trade purely or solely just on the pin bar itself, but a daily pin bar does have more significance as compared to, let's say, 5 minutes or M15 pin bar. So yeah, daily we do see such a pin bar, and of course it is a rejection over there. So yeah, if you go down to the lower time frame, you can see that there is it could be a head and shoulder, but yeah, nothing is confirmed yet. So we will keep a lookout on this, and then yeah, if subsequently there is a push down, and after that, yeah, you can go on this 1 hour time frame to see if you can actually short on this New Zealand Swiss franc. Okay, just yeah. So also, just be mindful that for New Zealand Swiss franc, the spread might be a bit wider. For especially if, let's say, you're using accounts such as I think IG Market, or let's say those what you call it, can't remember offhand. But yeah, those some of these broker actually has a wider spread, maybe even 4 to 5 pip. Yeah, so you need to do take note of the spread before you enter such a minor pair. Okay, New Zealand Swiss franc, it can be quite big, the spread. Okay, so far, yeah, these are the pair that I wanted to cover. And then also, if you would like to learn more and understand more about my style of trading, and also if you would like to see some of our interaction in my WhatsApp group, you can go ahead, join my WhatsApp group and also my Facebook group, so that you can see update on the regular basis on what's happening on the market. So yeah, thanks for your time, and we'll speak again next week. Thank you. Bye bye.